Assalamu alaikum friends, we are back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. But before the start of the video, as usual, we are requesting you please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and check out our other channel and website links are in the description. So let's start this video. Friends, Xiaomi has its powerful weapon Mi Mix, another variant that is called 4. The code name of the handset is Hercules, which suggests that it will be powerful one once it launched. The specifications look quite appealing. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, the flagship giant, will be powered by one of the most powerful SoC called Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. This is a modern SoC that has a built and Adreno 640. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 with this SoC ensure 20% more efficient performance. The fresh leaks revealed by the editor-in-chief of XDA development, Mishal Rahman, that the upcoming Xiaomi Mi Mix is going to house a triple rear camera setup along with a selfie shooter on the front side that will be dual. The main sensor of the Mi Mix 4 by Xiaomi will 48 megapixel, while the ultra-large angle of the smartphone is 13 megapixel and depth sensor will be 5 megapixel. The handset will be host a 24 megapixel plus 5 megapixel front facing camera. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 has a rear muted fingerprint scanner that shows that the coming device will possess an in-display fingerprint scanner which is kept in protect the data you have on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. Moreover, the recent information reveals that the handset will support wireless charging. The screen size of the smartphone is 6.39 inches. The screen is using Super AMOLED panel. Mi Mix 4 will present you Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixel. The SoC is paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of native storage, and both memory status of the Mi Mix 4 is quite impressive. So we can say that the hold of the Korean tech giant is now going end because most of the smartphone companies come up with more powerful specifications and attractive design at a reasonable price.